सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम सारानू। मेरा नाम है बिपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है So my friends, in this video I'll be going to share with you a ready to move in 4 BHK apartment in D block Palam Vihar, the interior of which is as royal as you can imagine, and the geological location of that property is something which you will really admire. And why I'm saying this is because this property is 5 minutes away from Udyog Vihar, 15 minutes away from Cyber City and 10 minutes away from New Delhi. And besides this, it is surrounded by almost all basic amenities like hospitals, schools, local markets. So without wasting any time guys, let's go and check out that property. So my friends, this is the property in D block Palam Vihar which I was talking about, and there are total number of 4 floors in this property, of which 3 floors are already sold. Only second floor is left. And my friends, as you can see, the outer appearance of this property is something which you can't leave without appreciating. The best part which I found at the entrance of this property is these tinted toughened glass doors opening provided over here, and it certainly enhances the look of this property. So this is the outer appearance of this property, and now let's go inside and check out the layout of the second floor which I'm talking about. Let's go. So friends, this is the still floor of this property, and here builder is giving parking space of 2 cars per flat. Now friends, from this still floor, let me take you to the second floor. Staircase is provided with SS304 railing, while to the right there is a lift provided, of which landing doors are already fitted, but car installation is yet to be done. So let's take the stairs to the second floor. As you can see, the staircase is also properly illuminated with the lights provided at suitable distance. So my friends, this being the main entrance to the second floor for which we have came to this property, and as you can see, it has been provided by this beautifully designed SS304 wire mesh door, and which is coupled with this beautifully designed 8 feet tall wooden door. So this being the main entrance to the second floor, and let's go inside and check out the layout of this floor. This being the drawing room, this being the lobby, bedroom, kitchen, bedroom, third bedroom and the fourth bedroom. So starting the tour of this floor from this drawing room in front of me. So let's enter this drawing room, and before entering you can see this beautiful partition provided over here between lobby and drawing room. It certainly enhances the look of this drawing room. And moving ahead, let's enter this drawing room area. So my friends, while being in drawing room, you can't stop admiring the kind of interior did in this room. Each wall in this room is so unique and so distinct from each other that it certainly gives a royal touch to this drawing room. Look at the design of false ceiling provided over here. So with this friends, I have completed the drawing room, and now let's explore the other parts of this floor. So moving out of the drawing room brings us to this lobby cum dining room area. Friends, this being the false ceiling design of this lobby area, and that being the main entrance to this floor. Moving ahead in this lobby area, one thing which you can't resist is this shelf section, which is provided with 8 feet tall, beautifully designed frost glass door openings. So let's explore this also. Let me open it for you. And now my friends, turning my camera towards right from this point, this is the dining space. this is the design of false ceiling of dining area. This being the dining space of the floor, and turning to the left is the kitchen of this floor. So let's go inside and explore the kitchen. So friends, this is a modular kitchen provided with a beautifully designed false ceiling and paired with white colored tiles having grey patches on it. At the other end there is a UPVC toughened glass door opening provided, which leads us to the backside balcony. The first thing which we would like to explore is the quality of woodwork provided over here. Cupboards are spacious. Faber chimney provided over here. And this being the dishwashing area. Beneath the slab there is a bin section provided over here. Above this there is a provision provided to install a geyser or an RO. Moving ahead, these are the steel racks provided over here. These are all the cupboards, and the space here is so much that you can accommodate almost all size of grocery. And now look at this section. There is plenty of space available in this kitchen. Closing this panel, beneath it are the baskets provided to place your veggies like onions and potatoes. This is the section provided to place your microwave oven. And turning toward this side, this white marble slab is provided. Everything being white is really graceful in this kitchen. Moving to the drawers provided beneath this slab, let's explore this also. Big drawers, as you can see. Look how smooth it is. Similarly, these drawers are provided. I'm not going to open each and every drawer. Plenty of space, as you can see. This we have already explored the bin area, and again the space provided. Drawers over here also. Space, and this being section which we have just explored provided with baskets, and that being the microwave section. And as I've told you that here this UPVC toughened glass door is provided, which is leading us to the backside balcony. Let's explore this backside balcony also from kitchen itself. So the balcony is also very good in size. Also there is a separate washing area provided at that corner, as you can see, and there are these UPVC toughened doors provided over here, which is leading us to the bedrooms of this floor. So this being the kitchen door from where we just came, and this is another bedroom door, and this being the entire balcony, and this is the type of flooring, the tile flooring provided over here. And friends, moving out of kitchen and turning our camera towards the left, as you can see, we are back again in this lobby area. Now we are going to explore the bedrooms of this floor. So starting the exploration of bedrooms with the master bedroom, which is this one. So let's go inside and check out the master bedroom first. So friends, this being the master bedroom of this floor, and this is the design of TV console provided in this bedroom, the shade of which is matching with wardrobe, and this is the beautiful looking wardrobe provided in this master bedroom. So let's explore the space beneath these doors. And so these are the big size wardrobes provided over here. Moving my camera, this being the entry to the master bedroom, this being the TV console, and this gigantic wide glass opening provided over here, which is provided with UPVC toughened glass door, and this kind of openings provided in the bedroom ensures natural light to come inside the bedroom. So before moving on to the front balcony, let's explore the washroom, attached washroom provided with this master bedroom. So let's go inside. So this is the washroom, attached washroom to the master bedroom, provided with a separate wet area, provided with almost all fittings of Jaguar, as you can see. Moving inside the wet area, Jaguar fittings are provided. Turning the light off, and now moving out of this washroom, let me take you to the front side balcony from this bedroom. Wow, it's raining today. It smells really good. You can see the greenery, the amount of greenery which you can view from this front side balcony. The view is amazing, man. And friends, as you can see, the front side of this floor is park facing, and it is really feeling nice, surrounded by such lush green trees around me, certainly ensuring good amount of fresh air which I am inhaling at this moment. And this is an internal look of this balcony. Now moving from this front balcony back to the master bedroom, let me take you to the second bedroom. This being the main entrance, and turning to my is the second bedroom of this floor. So my friends, this being the second biggest bedroom of this floor, and this is the big wide opening provided over here, which ensures natural light to come inside the bedroom. And this is again the UPVC toughened door provided over here, which leads us to the front side balcony. We now moving my camera face towards the opposite side. This is wardrobe provided in this bedroom. These are the wardrobes provided in the second bedroom. So now let's check out the size. It is similar to what we have observed in the master bedroom. As you can see, same two drawers provided over here, with an attachment provided to hang your iron clothes. And look, an equally sized wardrobes provided over here also. And this is the attached washroom with this bedroom, and let's explore this also. Provided with wide mirror, Jaguar fittings, the space to keep your toiletries, and white tiles with grey patch on it. It is also very spacious, as you can see. False ceiling design, a fan provided, and this being the attached washroom to the second largest bedroom of this floor. And my friends, with this I have completed the second largest bedroom of this floor, and now let's move ahead and explore the other two bedrooms, which are a bit smaller in size. And out of the two bedrooms which we are going to explore now, one is provided with the wooden flooring. So let's explore the bedroom which is having the flooring of Italian tile. And this bedroom being provided with this toughened glass opening to the backside balcony, which we have already explored. This is the wardrobe design provided in this bedroom, and this being the false ceiling design. Let's explore the space provided in these wardrobes. This is the attached washroom provided with this bedroom. So let's go inside and explore this too. As you can see, this is again provided with this wide mirror, jacquard fittings, cabinets provided over here to keep your toiletries, as you can see. Nice looking tiles, wet area separated, and this washroom, besides being attached to the third bedroom, can also be accessed from dining area through this door. So this washroom, besides being attached washroom, is also a common washroom. And now let's move to my right. This is the fourth and the last bedroom of this floor. And let's go inside and explore this one too. And my friends, in this bedroom, as I've said, this wooden flooring is provided, the shade of which is matching with this wardrobe, that being the toughened glass door opening provided to the backside balcony, explored already. So without wasting any time, let's check out the size. This is something which we haven't seen in other three bedrooms. The shelves provided over here, this is unique in this bedroom. And opposite to it is attached washroom provided. Let's explore this also, guys. Moving inside it, a unique shade in tiles being provided over here, separate wet area, wide mirror, jacquard fittings, space to keep your toiletries, and a nice spacious washroom with false ceiling design and a fan provided. And with this washroom, my friends, I have given you the complete tour of this floor. And my friends, now is the time to say goodbye. But before leaving, I would like to say that the price related to this property, this particular floor, will be discussed by Subhash Sharma ji. The number of whose is being flashed on the screen. And you can contact him anytime and can have all sorts of discussion with him related to price, related to any other thing you want to ask related to this floor. And with this, I would like to request you that if you found the content valuable, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. इसी के साथ दोस्तों, मैं लेता हूँ आपसे इजाज़त और मिलता हूँ आपको एक नए वीडियो के साथ. Till then, take care of yourself, your family and stay in good health. Goodbye guys.